Not here. Psst, psst. Psych! You thought, huh? You thought it was dinner time. Nah, it's training time. We're looking at wrist rolls, and I've been meaning to do this video for some time. The main thing is you need a bridge. You need to get a flat surface for the chain to wrap. In this case, I'm using my training nunchucks, so this is a rope. But if you're using chain nunchucks, it's the same thing. You need that surface here for the chain to wrap. So if I turn this way, inside, outside, inside, outside. So it's more difficult to do it down here, because the main thing is, if your nunchucks aren't moving quickly, you got your stick bouncing around like that. So if you're going to do it here, you need some speed, because when you've got the speed, notice that the stick is flat and the chain is stretched out. It's not all dangling like that. It's not doing that kind of thing. So this is where you got to take a bit of a risk and get some speed, and then get your hand out, and then you've got the wrap, and then get your hand out, and then come back. So you're actually better off, if you want to start learning wrist wraps, start doing it up here. If you start here, you need that speed, and that makes it trickier, especially if you're just starting out. So you want to start here, because then you can use gravity to help you. If I just open my palm up now, see, notice how that wraps. So I don't even need to be going at speed. I could go slow like this, hand out, and there's my wrap. Here, slow like this, hand out. You can take your time, don't have to spin it fast. Hand out, and you've got your wrap there. Hand out, you can go faster if you want to. Hand out, and you've got your wrap. You can work on getting in and out. So you will wrap here, and then wrap there, wrap here, and then wrap there. That will look like this. Wrap here, wrap there. And it's the same if you're using chain nunchucks. If you've got wooden nunchucks, you don't want to mess up with these, because when these hit you on the elbow, that shit hurts. You've got the chain here, get your hand flat out like that. These things, you don't want to take any chances, especially if you're just learning. And that's why I use these training nunchucks all the time when I'm learning something new. So these are nice and light. You can hit yourself as much as you want, no issues. They're lightweight as well. I can put them in my pocket, walk around with them. But it's the same thing again, okay? So here, hand is flat out, boom, and you've got your wrap, boom, or roll. I call them wrist wraps, but wrist rolls is the same thing. So from here, that's it, hand out, and you got your roll this way, hand out. Here you just have to be a little bit quicker. Fingers got tangled up there. It's got to be quicker, because that needs to land flat across the hand like that. Then as the stick comes back around, you get it that way. So hands out flat, and you've got it. If I'm coming back this way, same again, flat. And that's it. So definitely, when you're getting started, get some training nunchucks. I'll link somewhere down here. Walk around, have them in your pocket in case someone wants to around and find out. Let me know how you got on with this, and I'll get some more videos out soon.